What's up guys, today I'm back with another tutorial. This time around also an Excel tutorial. Last time out we looked at the auto sum function, whereby you can be able to do the auto sum without actually inserting the formulas. So if you have not really watched that video guys, please go back and watch that video, because today I want you to take you to the next level and I want to show you how to do the auto average. We all know that the average is a summation of a particular number of values divided by the n, that is the number of values. So for example, if we need to do the average of these three figures, we would have to take the figure of 20, 50 and 70, add them up all together, then divided by 3. But Excel of course has a different way of making our work easier, whereby you can be able to do what we call the auto average. This word written here. The auto average lets us do the average without necessarily inserting the formulas manually. So how do you go about it? For the auto average, we first of all select all the values or all the figures that we need to do the auto average on. So we can do this vertically and we can also do this horizontally. So we can do it in the rows and we can also do it on the columns. For this case, we are going to use this column here, column C, from the value C2, C3 and C4. So what we do is first of all select all the three values, then go to where we have the auto sum on the top right, almost in the third item from top rightmost corner. Then we click where we have the drop down icon, this small icon here that is facing down, looks like a very small triangle. Then we click on average. So what we have here inserted as a value as 46.66667, then is the auto average. Then if we need to do again the same case for these other three numbers, we do the same. We highlight the three numbers or the three values. Remember, you can be able to do this for the number of cells that you wish to do the auto average for, and then you come to this point here and then do the average. So you get the average of the three values. So that is doing the average vertically or through the columns. For the rows, you need to do it the same way. We all know that the average for 20 and 30 is 50. So 20 and 30 is 50 divided by 2, which gives us around 25. So just to confirm that, we highlight the two values, then we go to where we have this icon, then we do average. So you can see that the value of the auto average here is 25. We can also repeat the same and do the same for these two values here and get the auto average, because these two figures here is 50 plus 30, which gives you 80 divided by 2, which gives you 40. So you can see that it is very simple to do the auto average without us toiling a lot by inserting the formulas in Excel. So with that, I think you are now familiar with the average function, and I think I'll be coming up also and to show you other functions such as the count numbers, that is counting the number of values in a certain set of numbers or a certain range without necessarily having to input the count function. So we come to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you did not watch the other tutorial on the auto sum, you can go back to my channel and look for that tutorial. And as always, do not forget to like this video. Also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to be able to see the videos as the first recipient, and also share these videos with those guys who would like to watch it. For more of this, see me up in the next tutorial. Goodbye.